So, how she made it? Okay. अरे once and for all खींच के सीटी मार लो.
नेचुरल सीटी हो जाए एक बार, नेचुरल वाली सीटी.
I was talking about how कि जिम्मी का किस लड़कियों में क्रश है. How many boys have a crush on Isha Gupta suddenly? See, all
नहीं नहीं, एक सेकेंड, असली सीटी कौन मार सकता है? ये वाली नहीं सुननी मुझे.
I know ये विसल है.
जो असली सीटी मारेगा.
Okay, we together. असली सीटी together. Okay, let's have a. I think ईशा को देख के सीटी अपने आप बजेगी आपकी. But let's have a little competition है. कितने में माइक कौन सबसे ऊंची सीटी और लंबी सीटी मारेगा? Please give him the mic, the guy in the check shirt. No wait. Okay. This guy the green shirt guy. You know what, bro? Wait. जो जिसके पास माइक है वही सीटी बजाएगा and you have to do it with the ढोल. Yeah? चलो करो start. ये तो बड़ी गंदी सीटी है बाजी आपकी.
I'm not upset yourself.
आपने ईशा गुप्ता को नहीं, आपने डॉली बिंद्रा को देख लिया. Okay, so the guy in black t-shirt. Yeah.
हेलो.
Yeah. भाई इधर नाल.
मार भाई. होगी.
I think he's the loudest. We'll give it to him. Give it up, boy. What's the name, bro?
योगेश.
Okay.
पट गई.
Thank you.
इससे ज्यादा पानी दे दो.
So, Isha, I think a lot of girls who are sitting here would have that feeling in their heart that this is what I want to look like, this is what I want to do in life. So, being a youth icon, how does it feel?
It's as overwhelming as it sounds, because there was a time where I've seen actresses sitting like how you all are, and coming from a very moderate family. I think, you don't expect anything beyond a certain thing. It's just like, when you come from a certain kind of background, you don't expect for the stars, because you only want to expect, and you have your aspirations only till where you know that you can reach. Now, in fact, just the other day I was telling my dear friend who's sitting here, Mehak, I said, now I don't think about anything but beyond stars, because I'm just like, from nowhere I made it here, and I know I'm going to make it further. So I just think we all have it in us. It's just being there at the right place at the right time.
Yeah. And talking about Chandigarh, the youth summit is happening in Chandigarh. Have you been here before?
Oh yeah, who hasn't? I'm from the north. I'm from Delhi, and I think who hasn't been to Chandigarh? It's one of the.
Have you been to the Gedi route?
Huh?
Have you been to the Gedi route?
No, actually, I haven't.
Give me a chair. Who all go to the Gedi route every day? Yeah. Okay. I think because of Gedi route is okay. Somebody asked me what is Gedi route?
Gedi marne जाते हैं जहाँ.
Yeah, Gedi marne, where good-looking girls like Isha Gupta are there, and boys normally come and just do Gedi. It is a random thing though, but I think it is one of the most. It is there on Google Maps as well. The Gedi route has become so big now. Anyway, so I've written something for the Gedi route. It is because I'm from Chandigarh. Then we'll come to Isha's first question. College de मैं सारे साल Gedi लाते Gedi route थे. जिन्ने छेड़ा मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड ਨੂੰ मैं सारे बंदे कूटते. आज सद्या मेरी मिट्टी में मैं आया अपने पिंड. Mind rocks nu हाँ बोलने में लाए नहीं एक भी सेकंड. And then we got in touch with a lot of actresses from Bollywood that they should come and be a part of the youth summit. I was like, yeah, we want to come, And then we told them it's in Chandigarh. They said, no, we can't come to Chandigarh. All the actresses, they were like, you can't come to Chandigarh. I was like, why? पहला मैं सोचा ਵੱਡੀ एक्ट्रेस क्यों ना चंडीगढ़ आउंदियां ने. फिर पता चले कि चंडीगढ़ दी कुड़ियां इन्होंने बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स दे जांदियां ने. So all the Chandigarh girls and the Delhi girls, how is it that all the girls from the north, most of them make it big in Bollywood? Is it that Punjabi looks? Is it that Northy attitude? What is that?
I think it's the attitude for sure. I mean, all of us North Indians, वो एक attitude होना है ना कि देख लेंगे, कर लेंगे. So that's the attitude that we have. Like, we don't bend down in front of anyone. We are like, you know what? If you can do 100%, we'll do 1000%. So I think that's a North
Totally.
Indian attitude.
And tell me something. You see good movies happening, you see bad movies happening, you see item numbers. What is your take on movies like, or maybe item numbers for that matter?
My take on what?
Item numbers.
You know what? It's been going on since forever and ever
Yeah.
and ever, and I don't see the harm in it. You know, you'll even see like you know, a Sri Devi dancing, you know, on a particular song. Juhi Chawla ji did it in, you know, Lagiya Sawan Ke Fir Wo Jadiya. She
Yeah.
wasn't there in the movie, but she was only in the song. So item songs have been coming since then. And you know what? That's what, it's an attraction. It's a good packaging to a film. So I don't see any harm in it. It's just like I would love to do. I did it. Dhat Tere Ki was kind of an item song that you'll call because it was
What is it?
just...
It is an upmarket item song.
Yeah, but-
Aspirational version of item
yeah,
number.
but you know, even I'm 1/4 Punjabi. Let's be honest, none of us are that upmarket by the end. We all like the being loud. We all like loud music. We all like, you know, sophistication comes because, yeah, I'm an actor. I mean, it's as good as that.
Sure. Anyone in the audience can sing. I want somebody to hum Jannat to any song for her. Is it Naina? Naina? Naina, give it a... The entire audience like Naina. Naina, आपने पैसे दिए क्या? क्या चक्कर है ये? Okay, yeah. Naina's mic is not working. Sound. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, now it is working. Come on. So Naina, ऐसा क्या है? सब Naina कर रहे हैं.
सब friends हैं मेरे.
Oh. Hello, national winner. Hello, Naina. Give it up for Naina once again. Okay. So Naina, what are you gonna sing for Isha Gupta?
तुझे सोचता हूँ मैं.
Okay.
It's one of my favorite songs. I would actually love if you can come here and
Come,
sing.
Naina, come. Come on the stage.
And if one boy can also come, she can sing and that boy can dance.
You want a boy on the stage or should Naina sing?
Or Apar Shakti would dance. Apar Shakti.
Isha sing, Mama says no boys.
Who's going to be the Imran Hashmi of that song?
Okay, yeah. Okay, let Naina sing.
We have Imran Hashmi of that
Oh.
song.
Hello, Paji. Who called him on the stage?
He looks like Imran Hashmi. Eh?
Acha.
See? Chehra dikha. Left profile, right profile.
How many of you think he looks like Imran Hashmi?
अपने lips दिखा भाई. Lips दिखा. Pout कर pout.
लड़कियों का response मिला है Imran Hashmi के लिए. Okay, tell me something. Imran Hashmi is very famous for kisses. Are you also famous for that in your college? मौका मिला तो जरूर famous हो जाऊंगा. Okay, I think we should concentrate on the talented girl here, na?
On
Then
the
I
talent
say,
over here. Yes.
Yeah.
Not the hidden talent.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
see the other
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
talent.
तुझे सोचता हूँ मैं शामों से इससे ज्यादा तुझे और चाहूँ मैं क्या तेरी धड़कनों में ही डूबा रहूं इससे ज्यादा तुझे और चाहूँ मैं क्या अब इस जहां में जाना संग हूँ तेरे
तू जगराते में आया है?
अब इस जहां
डांस
में
करे?
जाना संग हूँ तेरे अब इस
Whoa! Okay, give it up for Naina once again. Thank you so much, Naina. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful voice. Thanks a lot, bro. तुसी इमरान हाशमी आ गए हो. Don't worry. Okay. Tell me something. When you, I think This was not there in my prep. I suddenly thought, ki Jannat 2 had Imran Hashmi. What was your reaction and your mother's reaction that you're going to be opposite Imran Hashmi, the serial kisser?
I think, no, my mother only told me one thing, let Imran keep the serial killer tag, you don't take it away from him. That's all she told me. So, I'm glad that he has it. No, but you know, I'll be honest, Imran has made, you know, again, he's come from nowhere, he's a common man's dream, he's a common man idol. Even though my mom loves it, I think he has a very good market, especially even in my mother. I mean, my mother was more excited to meet him than to meet Saif. My mother's like, I want to meet Imran Hashmi, and I'm like, okay, from a distance, woman. Like,
Isha, whenever I speak to you, you always speak very highly of your mother.
very?
Very highly of your mother.
Yeah.
And you talk about your mother
Yeah.
a lot of times.
Yeah.
So, ऐसा क्यों है? Is she the main source of inspiration? Is she, like, do you idolize her? Every daughter does, but what about you?
Every daughter does, of course. But मेरे लिए मैं एकदम you know, I'm a carbon copy of my mother. I think from
Is she
every
as good looking
angle.
as you are?
She's prettier than me.
What do you think?
Thank you. But yeah, it's just I think you know, हमारी life में हमेशा we have that one person who always pushes you or further beyond. Especially for girls, I think it's very important when you have your mother's support. I got lucky that मेरी mother ही मेरी best friend है. If it wasn't for her, मैं Miss India में नहीं जाती, मुंबई नहीं शिफ्ट होती, acting career नहीं लेती. So I think, yeah, even the confidence that I have, every little thing, from my first boyfriend till my film and अभी तक मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, I
Who
think
was
the
your
only
first
person who
boyfriend?
knows. First boyfriend कौन था? शायद उसे भी नहीं याद हो कौन था.
ये हो
ये
ही
बातें
सकता
हम
कि
बता
उसे
नहीं
याद
सकते.
ना हो.
ये बातें अंदर की बात है जिसे हम बोलते हैं. So it's just like, yeah, I think you know, for every child, I think mother is more important, but especially for me, my mother, yeah.
Yeah. You just finished Humshakals, yeah? And a lot of people don't speak very highly about Sajid Khan. In the industry, outside the industry, the media, you have worked with him for the entire project. I'm sure you guys will hang out together for at least 3-4 months. And then the promotions, you've been around. What is your take on him? And a lot of people also, not about Sajid Khan, but a lot of people talk about directors who have been into casting couch and all that jazz. Do you think that exists in our film industry?
You know, I honestly think casting couch is such a thing that exists not only in the industry, so don't get scared. I think, I would like to say, I'm sure like there's so many of you who want to be actor and actresses. Nothing like this happens, but you know what? You're as good as what you think. If you think it happened, it will happen. If you think it doesn't happen, it won't happen. Secondly, about Sajid, I would really like to say I have spent almost 6 months on this film. One of the funniest guys. Jo unki movies hai, that's how he is as a person. You know, but what happens is, once you make a mistake, then you make a mistake twice. Third time, people want to pull you down.
Yeah.
Because that's happened to me. I mean, I'll take one step ahead, I'll have 10 people to pull me down. But you know, I just think that if you are strong enough to pull me down, I'll be stronger than you and get up. And I really hope that happens with Sajid because he's a lovely person. He's really funny. Him and I have fought so much that people have got involved in between and be like, okay, calm down because, you know, he's वहाँ के and मैं, you know, पंजाबी खून वही निकल कर आता है मेरा. But you know, it was just his bad luck that film didn't do well. I think कोई भी film चल जाती. If this film would have worked, people would have been, you know, signing him right now and waiting to work with him. So yeah, it's just, you know, I hope he bounces back with the next
Kudos
film.
to you for accepting at least that it happens. It's not only about the film industry, it happens in general.
You know, but I've seen it everywhere. I've, you know, seen men especially taking advantage of women just because of power. But I think it's...
Has anyone tried to do that to you in the initial phase of your career in the industry?
No, not in the film industry, not even in modeling, but just in general, I always felt like, you know, men like to show their power that, oh, hum is position mein hai, you know, we can get you here, we can get you there. But the thing is, I have a simple formula. If I'll reach somewhere on my own, I'll reach somewhere. Otherwise, ghar jaake shaadi karo, ho gaya. You know, it's not like that's my backup plan, but you need to be headstrong that, you know what, I will make it on my own. And I have made it on my own.
Totally.
So.
Talking about women power, what is that one thing which you would want to say, especially to the girls here? Mardani has released yesterday. That is a big example.
I think more than the girls, I like to say this to the guys that I'm not saying please don't make every girl your sister because हमें थोड़ी population बढ़ानी है. But respect women. I think थोड़ा लेट जोक समझ में आया चंडीगढ़ में हो ना इसलिए. I think नहीं, but it's just respect women and more for women. You know what? Stand with each other. Don't. I have met women. वो एक जिसे सच में बोलते हैं ना औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन, वो मैंने सबसे ज्यादा देखा है. कोई अच्छी दिख रही है, अरे कैसी अच्छी लग रही है, बेचारी ने छोटी स्कर्ट पहनी है. Thank you. लड़के ज्यादा बिलीव करते हैं, लड़कियां भी चलो ताली मार रही
You
हैं.
talk about choti skirt and you have whistles there. That's Chandigarh for you.
नहीं, I don't think छोटी स्कर्ट, but I think लड़कों को पता है, लड़कियां ही लड़कियों की ज्यादा बुराई करती रहती है कि कैसे कपड़े पहनती है, किसके साथ
Okay,
घूमती
okay.
है.
Let's take that from the audience. All those girls who second that. All the girls who second that. कि लड़की लड़की की ज्यादा बुराई करती हैं. Okay, can we have a mic there? Who wants to say
सब
something?
लड़के बचपन से दोस्त होते हैं, लड़कियां जब देखो 1-2 साल में दोस्त बदलती रहती हैं. ये
ऐसा
इसलिए ये बिकॉज टिक ही नहीं पाती यार. ये मैंने देखा है बहुतों से. मेरी एक दोस्त है, वो सालों से दोस्त है, बट वो इसी वजह से बिकॉज हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ा. सो आई जस्ट थिंक लड़कियों को एक साथ, गर्ल्स नीड टू यूनाइट एंड स्टैंड against everything, especially when there's an outer force, of eve teasing, of respecting women, and men need to be stronger because कल किसी और के साथ हो रहा है, आप ignore करके चलते बनेंगे. Tomorrow it's going to happen to your sister, to your wife, to your girlfriend, to your mother. So that's all I like to say. Just stand with each other. That's more important than anything else.
Yeah. Who was it girl who wanted to say something? कि लड़कियों की लड़कियों से क्यों नहीं बनती है? Some girl was raising her hand there. Okay, relax. Okay, so Isha, I think it's been forever that everyone has been talking about that you look like Angelina Jolie. Is it a good thing or a bad thing? Does that make you feel good? Okay, wow, I look like somebody who is extremely beautiful. Hence, I'm also extremely beautiful.
No.
Or does it make you feel bad that
The
why am I
thing
being
is,
compared?
even if you're saying that I look like Angelina Jolie, there can be two Angelina Jolie, but there's only one Brad Pitt, so it's really sad. I don't have a Brad Pitt.
Okay, you've seen that ice bucket challenge happening, in the entire country and the world as well. Do you see that as a valid movement, or do you see that as a fun activity happening? Chalo baraf dalein, chalo baraf dalein.
We were just talking about it yesterday. I had tweeted about it the other day saying that I really hope that the people who are doing it, know what it's about.
Correct.
Because, the challenge is कि अगर आपने challenge नहीं किया, अपने ऊपर अगर आपने ice bucket पानी नहीं डाल पाए, तो you have
I'm
to
so
donate.
sorry to cut you short. I'm thinking a lot of people in the audience might not know what ice bucket challenge is. So tell them a little.
Okay, it's an ALS, which is a medical condition where, your whole spine and everything, it just contracts, you can't move. So I'm sorry, I'm forgetting the name. Who was the guy who started it? One of the patients who started it? He was a basketball player who got it, so he started it, so he decided that's the best way to raise.
Who knows that name?
Okay, one of you can Google meanwhile so others can see, because I'm sorry for my lack of knowledge over here. So the reason he started is that if you can't put that cold ice bucket water on yourself, you rather donate $100. I've seen videos, people of only, you know what, I accept the challenge, I'm going to do it, I'm going to ask 3 other people in 24 hours to do it. I've not heard a single person donating. I just don't understand. I know, okay, you're James Bond and you're Sparta and, you're a gladiator, but just donate. You rather donate than waste water. I'm not going to do it and waste water. I'm sorry. There's just no water in this world.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
So please, all of you rather donate than,
Totally,
waste
totally.
water.
She wants to say something. Can you please have a mic there?
I can't, sorry.
Please give us your name first.
I'm Niharika, and I'm
Hi.
sorry to interrupt you.
No
but,
problem.
it's actually the challenge is because if you cannot donate money, everybody from Obama to all the celebrities have been doing it. If you cannot donate money within 24 hours, then your punishment is that you pour a bucket of ice on yourself.
I know,
And-
darling, but that's exactly my point. People like these, and especially us
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
celebrities, the reason we are celebrities is because
To
if I'm
become
here,
an icon, youth icon, and
no, plus I can spread the word. But if if I'm not even donating, the only thing I'm doing is something for to get attention. I just don't understand.
That's
the whole
what's
point.
happening. Sadly,
That's exactly.
instead of spreading awareness, people do not know what this is, but
That's
they're
exactly what
following it.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
No, that's it.
Dare mainly challenging Bhajan Saab. I'm sure he might just not know that what is it about.
Yeah, it's just I wish that people do some research and find out
Totally,
about
totally.
it.
Yes, I can see a hand there. What do you want to say? Yeah, please give him the mic.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
What's your name, bro?
Anurag.
Anurag.
I'm from LPU. Exactly what the challenge, there are few rules which we have to follow in this. First of all, you have to get challenged by someone.
Yeah.
And second thing is, if someone is challenging you, if you're not performing that, you have to pay $100.
Yeah.
Then also, if you are performing that, after that also you have to donate some money. So
No, actually not, because you've not heard any
less-
of us, any of the people saying that we are donating.
Because in the video, what you have to do when you are making that video of doing that ice challenge, you have to take those 3 names whom you are
I know,
challenging,
yeah.
and you have to also tell that what amount of money you are donating on that website of
Yeah,
ALS.
but that's exactly what we're saying, that people are wasting resources. Have you seen recent videos? And I've been seeing enough, because there've been enough people
In
on
India,
Twitter,
in-
and in India I'm talking, there've been enough people challenging me, but I wrote eventually, I said, I'm not going to fall sick, I'd rather just donate money. It's as
Exactly.
simple.
In India, what's happening is people
Yeah.
are just doing that without donating any money.
Yeah.
But the main motto was to donate money. Either
ये
you
एक और
do it-
प्रॉब्लम है हम लोगों की इंडिया में, कोई और बाहर वाला कुछ करे, हम अपने कल्चर इतना नहीं मानते ना, हमें
exactly.
प्रॉब्लम ये है इंडिया में, वेस्टर्न ने कुछ किया, वी
Totally.
विल डू इट बिकॉज वी आर नॉट दैट कॉन्फिडेंट.
Exactly, ma'am. Exactly.
Whoa. Okay. Ice bucket challenge को side में रखते हैं. I think we should have a challenge here for, an on-ground challenge, है ना? Boys में से कौन गाता है? 1 and 2. That's not the challenge. आ जाओ लेकिन ऊपर. Quickly. Come on the stage. Okay. Come, bro, come. Okay, you've already been on the stage. Can I have somebody who has not been on the stage? That guy in the specs, yeah. Come. Okay. What's your name, bro? Rama. And? Sylvester Stallone. भाई बड़ा खतरनाक है वो आपका. Sylvester के आगे? Stephen. Okay. गाने वाले चैलेंज जो बाद में आएंगे, आप दोनों में से जो ज्यादा पुशअप्स मारेगा वही गाना गाएगा ईशा के लिए. लेकिन चैलेंज है यार, कमल ऐसे थोड़ी है. या पुशअप्स ज्यादा मारेगा वही गाना गाएगा ईशा के लिए. ढोल साथ साथ बजेगा पुशअप्स के. ठीक है पाजी? ओके. Are we good to go?
क्या है चैलेंज?
Okay. How many of you think?
चैलेंज क्या है?
चैलेंज ये कौन सा पुशअप्स मारेगा, जो पुशअप्स ज्यादा मारेगा वो आपके लिए गाना.
थैंक गॉड सनी पाजी यहाँ पे नहीं है.
Okay. How many of you think Rama is gonna win? Stephen? Yeah? Okay. Rama and Sylvester. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Rama, आप रुक गए थे.
अच्छा, हो
We
गया,
have
हो
a
गया, हो
winner
गया.
here. That guy stopped in the middle. No worry, Rama. कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
यार
Thank you so much.
इतनी मेहनत के बाद भी आप गाना गवाओगे.
अब गवाएंगे. That's a challenge.
नहीं ऐसी और माय विनर यहाँ बोलो क्यों इतनी मेहनत के
Yeah,
बाद.
अब, do you guys want to sing together? No? Okay. So, the winner says no. Yeah, he was the winner. So, thank you so much, bro. But you were really, really good. Isn't it? Hana? He was. Thank you so much. अरे कमाल है. नहीं. Who wants to sing? अब सांस भूल गया, अब कैसे गाएगा ना बेचारा. But don't worry, don't worry. ये सांस पुशअप्स मार के फूला है कि ईशा को देख के भूल गया है? ईशा.
स्टेज पे जब चढ़ा तब तो मैम को देख के भूल गया. तो उसके बाद हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, तेरा दर्द भी, तेरी आशिकी,
Get up, boy, once again. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So do you want to say anything to both the boys?
Thank you so much and beautiful voice, the gentleman over there.
Yeah. So last thing, this is a Parshakti's top 3 again. Modeling or acting?
Acting.
Marriage or live-in?
Marriage or live-in? Companionship.
Okay, companionship. This thing I asked Jimmy Paji as well. I'm going to ask you as well. Like I asked him about a girl, but one boy in the audience you think you can have a crush on. In a healthy way. तुम seriously मत ले लेना यार, रात को नींद ना आए. ईशा गुप्ता को मुझ पे क्रश है. अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को ब्रेकअप कर दिया है. तू छोड़ यार, ईशा गुप्ता को मुझ पे क्रश है. So don't do that, okay? It's in a good way. Yeah. खड़े होके चेक करना है चित्रा. A nice sweet boy.
स्वीटी लड़के होता है चंडीगढ़. वो हाथ दिखा के क्या? अरे वैसे ही पढ़ रहा लिया यार गाना गा के और कितना?
One boy. Any one boy.
This
You know, the guy
check.
said, oh, huh?
This
Yeah?
the one in the check.
The one in the check. Oh! Take a mic. Give him a mic there. Give him a mic there. Give him a mic there. Let me just find out how does it feel? Isha Gupta has a crush on you. Oh my God. हाँ. भाई मैं तो मतलब पागल हो जाता, मैं स्टेज छोड़ के भाग जाता मैं. Tell me, how does it feel? क्या बोलूं? Isha Gupta has a crush on you. How does it feel? Dhak. सीधा हार्ट बीट पे तुमने माइक लगा दिया.
मतलब पूरा आपको उसी से मजा आ जाएगा.
Do you have a girlfriend?
मतलब मेरा चांस है अभी.
Okay, thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much, Isha. Can we please have?
Right. I would like to request Kaveri Bamzai, the editor, India Today, to please come and give a token of appreciation to Isha Gupta for her contribution to Bollywood and to the India Today Mind Rocks Youth Summit. एक बार सीटी बनती है फिर से यार, नेचुरल वाली
City.
नेचुरल वाली. Personal conversation.
Yeah, later. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot.